The last straw, the event that will decide the fate of the whole cryptocurrency market, has finally come. Since there are so many opportunities, people now say it's too expensive to sleep. No more getting a good night's rest. What's going on? I say we just find out. Warning: the Shiba Inu's recent skyrocket in popularity has caught the attention of many. Since April 9th, Shiba Inu's price has been falling 24% from its beginning value. Thus, it hasn't escaped the current crypto market slump. Bitcoin retested the $59,700 level yesterday, which prompted a market-wide rebound, and in Shiba Inu's case, a little increase of 3.31%. Sadly, Shiba Inu prices fell 3.82% today, resuming the bearish pressure. Many things came together to cause this sell-off to happen again. Among these are geopolitical tensions and unsavory macroeconomic situations. Now, let me tell you something that is completely illogical. People are baffled as to why the cryptocurrency market isn't booming in anticipation of the impending Bitcoin halving. Despite the high level of anticipation for this event, prices have remained low. The recent remarks made by Federal Reserve officials could be a major role. They have dropped hints that rate decreases might be postponed until 2025 because of stubbornly strong inflation. This goes against previous predictions of possible rate decreases as early as 2024. However, hold for a second. What is the significance of this for the cryptocurrency market? The connection between conventional banking and digital currency is the crux of the matter. Many have looked to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a protection against inflation and more conventional forms of money printing. This is only the tip of the iceberg. Any sign that conventional markets may not offer the expected reprieve from inflation could temporarily reduce interest in crypto investments. Massive asset sales have exacerbated the market slump, adding further downward pressure. Only yesterday, in the grayscale that we've grown accustomed to, the market downturn has been intensified by the reported outflow of $90 million in Bitcoin, which, along with ongoing outflows from spot Bitcoin ETFs, has contributed to the escalation of tensions following the news from the Middle East on April 13th. As a result of these developments, investors are trying to protect themselves from possible economic consequences, which has led to another round of falling markets. Amid market anxiety, the whole cryptocurrency field saw a decline. But listen up, because one Twitter user is about to reveal something fascinating. If you're surprised by the recent crypto market correction, try to remember what happens after Bitcoin experiences 7 consecutive months of growth. Hint: it's happened only once. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. It's astonishing that the cryptocurrency market has grown continuously for 7 months. Exception in the past that has made a lot of money for investors. People all across the globe have been able to take advantage of prospects for financial empowerment, because to this development phase, it's like a lottery for the production of wealth, opening up hitherto unthinkable avenues of participation for individuals from all walks of life in the global economy. Everyone should be thankful for it, but what if some people didn't get to experience this development spurt for 7 months? If you want to see something much bigger, you'll have to keep watching this video. When we enlarge the chart, this small retracement doesn't appear so bad. When the Bitcoin price chart shows that things are rough, this rule is often used. Taking a step back and looking at the larger picture can help you make better judgments. Also, when you step back and look at the big picture, this is definitely a brilliant strategy. You're not merely considering temporary changes. Long-term trends are what you're examining. By looking at the bigger picture, we can better understand the significance of the present shifts and remember that the crypto market is prone to volatility. Investors can stay calm in the face of temporary panic and make better informed decisions. And before you base your selections on the recent price drops, which have occurred within the past several days. Listen up, this is crucial. Don't overlook the positive developments in the cryptocurrency market, like the Bitcoin halving that is happening in less than 24 hours, or the recently approved Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. For example, a Hong Kong ETF might pour over $25 billion into the cryptocurrency market, which could significantly affect prices. The following tweet aptly describes the present state of the market. After a long enough correction to make you think the bull market is ended, Bitcoin will start rising again. As an aside, since our last interaction with the Hong Kong Bitcoin ETF, someone on Twitter brought up an intriguing point, explaining how significant the Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs are. As soon as their exchange-traded funds ETFs go live, none of them will have 600,000 Bitcoin sitting in a fund like the ones in the West. Instead, each ETF will begin trading at 0 Bitcoin. Starting at the bullish line is their only option for purchases. The fact that there have been numerous market crashes since the Bitcoin ETF was approved in the US in January is being referenced. The majority of these crashes were caused by Grayscale selling off their large Bitcoin holdings that they had amassed over the years. However, things have changed with the Hong Kong ETF, and now with the Bitcoin halving event happening in less than 24 hours, the anticipation is through the roof. The Bitcoin halving occurs every 4 years, therefore this is a major event. Because of its track record of causing large fluctuations in Bitcoin prices, this event has been eagerly anticipated by many. Being patient is like being on the edge of your seat for a once-in-a-lifetime space event. This is a rare occurrence, so when it does, we're all quite excited, but how will it affect our cherished Shiba Inu? That is an excellent question. Shiba Inu might see an incredible increase of about 900,000%, reaching a price of nearly 2 cents if it continues its post-halving rally from 2021. You might think those are outrageous amounts, but hold on a second. After the admirable March rally of nearly 300%, Shiba Inu hit a major roadblock, which I will explain. The Shiba Inu lost even more ground to the bears as its value fell 59% from its March high. However, Bitcoin's halving this week has Shiba Inu fans wishing for the cryptocurrency's possible comeback. Looking at past examples gives them hope. The trend of bullish runs that frequently follows Bitcoin halving events is worth mentioning. As an example, after halving in May 2020 at $8,000, Bitcoin's price initiated a bullish trend and continued into the new year. Prior to a brief decline, Bitcoin's value surpassed $60,000 by April 2021. Up until November 2021, when it hit a new all-time high, the leading cryptocurrency continued its upward trend. This phenomenal increase constituted a mind-boggling spike of more than 721% since the halve event. Curiously, the Shiba Inu did not even exist when Bitcoin's value was halved in May 2020. 3 months later, the Shiba Inu debuted with 9 leading zeros. When Bitcoin first surged in late 2020, there was very little trading activity involving Shiba Inu. A substantial trading volume of more than $5 million did not occur for Shiba Inu until January 31, 2021. Since then, Shiba Inu has routinely maintained trading levels in the hundreds if not millions of dollars. A 5-0 price for Shiba Inu had already been determined by the time Bitcoin's first 64,000 peak in April 2021. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu had an astounding boom of over 800% from January to October of that year, reaching a peak of 408% in October before Bitcoin reached its new high of 68,000 in November of the same year. At its present price of about 63,000 USD, Bitcoin would reach a price of more than $500,000 USD if it were to repeat the 721% spike it experienced after the halving. Likewise, if the Shiba Inu price were to follow its historical trend of increasing by more than 800,000% from its present level, it could hypothetically reach 2 cents. But leading prediction platforms don't see Shiba Inu costing that much in the next 20 years. Market players should not consider this opinion as investment advice, especially during current euphoric season. However, that being said, the anticipation is still strong. The majority of Bitcoin holders will be experiencing their first halving event at this time. Seeing this much anticipated event for the first time as a novice with an approved exchange-traded fund ETF is an exciting experience. It's like being a witness to history, knowing that you're a part of something big in the cryptocurrency world. Eagerness, unpredictability, and the possibility of significant transformations. What are your thoughts on the comment below? It's exciting to be a part of this dynamic and ever-changing market. Please feel free to click on any of the videos to learn more. I would love to hear your thoughts on the matter. This concludes our video. If you found it entertaining, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments area. Regarding YouTube's algorithm, this is a huge assistance. The more people you can get to watch this video, the better. We need to spread the word about this.